Sometimes the best trips are the unplanned ones, and this journey to Talapada beach felt exactly like that. We started our journey from Balasore city on a quiet afternoon. The city sound slowly faded behind us. At Bahanaga, we took a left turn, and the road instantly became calmer and open. Soon the wide roads turned into narrow village paths, small houses, green fields, and friendly locals passed by as we moved ahead. After a short ride, we reached the place where the river meets the sea, the calm river on one side and the Bay of Bengal on the other. Beside us stood the mangrove forest, quiet and green, and on the sand small creatures moved around, leaving tiny marks on the wet shore. As the sun began to set, the sky turned soft orange and the whole place glowed beautifully. A simple trip, but a moment worth remembering. Thank you.